Yachty. I'm a bastard bloke, we got tropical pineapple, chocolate, blood up to evil bastards, a jackalope. You want a half a coat with a cast of boat? Yeah, I got chronic, I want has to tote. Go ahead, rookie, call your plastic boat. Chase to have a smash for you, grab a smoke, confess, no choke. More like all she wrote. Drop the beat, pause a note. Jasper's here, well that's awesome, dope. Only here to tell you that it's all a hoax. Unlike Mach 1, lots of guns, so lots of fun. Probably at a strip club, not spending a one. Wanna play a game? Well, this is how it's done. Creativity is our only freedom. We can't dream schemes if we can't even peep them. 2013 and catch me on the weekends. Looking for something to see my teeth in. Need to eat the flesh. Cannibalistic priest, a easy mess. Your beat stay fresh. I'm from Little Rock where the river divides. Loyalty seems so hard to come by. Conspirators coincide, another guy decides on homicide. Keeps you high on both sides, I lift my head aside. Reconsider my design. Shots of liquor provide a way to find lies. From in between glass and cat eyes, thighs, I despise you guys. I got a repetitive set of fists that'll settle this. Setting my hands on a sedative, man, it's like a sedative. Ready, bitch, negative. You know that I'm better, kid. Taste my parrot cakes, they're too delicious. I got a jackal inside my brain. It makes me laugh when it calls you names. I think it's all fake. I think it's all vaccines. I think it all ain't. It's just a bad dream. It's just a bad dream. It's just a bad dream.
Suspended for DWI.
Temple. That's okay, puppy. Oh. Get out. It's okay, puppy. It's okay. I'm alright. It's okay. Hey, what's up, guys? How y'all doing?
Yourself?
Not too bad. Hey, Charge, stay, please. Reached out, you got that license plate cover on the back of the truck. You should have your driver's license insurance with you. Is your license suspended, or have you ever had one?
My license is suspended.
Okay, what's it suspended for?
For DWI.
Okay.
I have not had anything.
Okay. How long ago was the DWI?
Over a year.
Year?
The
Okay.
one I know about is over a year. I'm trying to fight a second one.
Okay.
That I wasn't sure.
Okay. Does anybody in the car have a driver's license?
She does.
You've got a valid. You can ever take a look at it real quick?
Yes.
Who owns the car?
I do.
You do? Okay. Looks like your registration's also suspended for the DWI. They suspended your vehicle registration, which means you can't operate the vehicle on the roadway. If you'll hand me that.
Can't operate the vehicle at all?
Correct, because the registration is suspended.
Can I have her drive this to my grandpa's?
I mean, towards Grandpa's house.
Straight down the road here.
Okay.
We're trying to take
We'll
the exit out to grandpa's.
sort that out, Miss. You're Austin?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Your insurance is good. Okay, here's that back for you. Y'all just hang tight for me just a minute, okay? I don't know if I ever stopped a car with suspended registration. Let's see. Alright, passenger's valid. Ooh, today's his birthday. He is suspended, knows it was suspended. He's suspended for DWI until 2025. Thoughts?
Someone monitoring the area. ETO.
Huh? I said thoughts. Yeah, he's suspended for a DWI until 2025. Your thoughts? Basically, yeah. He got, ooh, yeah. Yeah, Mitch cited him a month ago. Here, I'll send it to you. Austin Sumter. 2017 Chevy Cruze. 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 If Mitch just wrote him a ticket and he's still driving, I'm probably going to arrest him. No, a different vehicle. He was cited, yeah, driving DWI suspended last October when it's, yeah, he's got several tickets for it. I'm trying to see on the ticket where if it says jailed or not, where I don't have to call and bother him. Oh, no, it says jailed. Yeah, Mitch arrested him. And also the registration is suspended. Looking for report. Okay, I guess the registration's been suspended since June of 26, or sorry, June 26th of this year. Adam Paul Mary 17 Ida. There's 3 other people in the car.
Colton Arnold, 1042, 107. 1044 o'clock.
No, I think it just started June 26th because it looks... Because I think that one they have to contact driver. It's not like a date. Like it just starts then and they have to like go through the process to get it done. So it's suspended until they handle it. There's just the, for the registration suspension, it's just one statute, right? The Title 27 one. There's not a separate Title 5 one for being a DWI suspension. Okay, that's what I thought. Hey, did a password change? Okay, what is it? I don't even know what it is. You just tell me so I can look something up. Is there anything capitalized? Bulldogs, 6, exclamation. Okay. Thank you. Look at Mitch's. Because I feel like if I just write him a ticket, like he's already been arrested and he has a valid driver with him. Yeah. Bond was $430. Stand by. That's why his license is suspended until 2025. No, I think I'm going to write tickets. I am. I know, that's the only reason that I feel like that I'm still like going back and forth if I do is because he was arrested a month ago, still knows it's suspended, and is still driving. Yeah, I think I'm going to. A month ago, and like keeps doing it. So like he's not. Right. It's Thanksgiving.
Four home tonight's first call.
I go.
10-405.
Go talk to him. Hey Austin, just come back here and talk to me real quick, okay? Have any guns, knives, anything crazy on you?
Nope.
Okay.
I usually carry a knife.
Yeah, that's why I asked. I mean, I know most people do. Okay. So it looks like you got arrested a month ago for driving. So why are you driving today when you have a passenger that has a valid driver's license?
That's what my dad just said when I called him. Should let her drive.
Yeah? Because, you know, she can also get in trouble for having a valid license and you're driving.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. It's permitting unauthorized person to drive. Because did she know you weren't allowed to drive? I'm not writing her a ticket for her. I'm just trying to explain what's going on. I have no intentions of writing her any tickets. Did she know you were suspended?
Yes.
Okay.
It's my truck. I'm having issues with the braking at the moment, so I was scared with that. And she said
17-10-4.
she said she wasn't sure about the braking, so I wasn't going to make her do it.
Because your license is suspended till 2025.
No, I can make her drive it. She can drive my truck. She's legal. As far as I knew,
The truck's
should be legal as long as
the
it's
truck's not
driving,
legal.
right?
The cover. I mean, I'm not too
How do
worried
I
about the
get that
cover.
fixed?
You have to call driver control in Little Rock because where you're 2 DWIs you've had. Were you driving this truck or were you driving something else?
Something else.
Were you driving different cars both times?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. But because were both cars registered to you?
One was.
One was. Okay. That's probably what it was because they can suspend your vehicle registrations if you get more than one DWI. So that's why this is suspended. Like this truck's technically not even allowed to touch public roadways. Okay. I'm not going to tow your truck. You got 3 other people in there. I'm not going to do that.
Can I have her drive us to my grandfather's then, and just stop driving?
Well, I mean, why didn't you quit driving after you got arrested last month?
Mostly because I just do what I have to do. I'm not trying to get on the streets.
Well, I mean, it's not like you're the only one in the truck and you're on your way to work. I mean, I assume that.
Just to my grandfather.
How old are the 2 people in the back?
My brother and his girlfriend.
How old are they?
22 and 20.
Okay, I assume they both have driver's licenses?
Just my
They don't? Okay, so they don't have ID. They just have IDs? Like they've never had a driver's license either?
I don't know if they have. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Okay. All right.
I just want to fix this. I'm literally this next paycheck. I just got paid today, and I'm working on getting that breathalyzer device put in there next.
Well,
That's
no,
the next
I'm not
thing
even
I
worried
have to
about the interlock thing because you're.
That's what I'm.
So there's. Okay, because right now you're suspended, you're not restricted. So there's 2 different suspensions. There's an administrative suspension, which is like a traffic ticket, which is like if you got a speeding ticket and something messed up on your license, they can suspend your driving privilege for that. Yours is a criminal suspension because you're arrested for a DWI. So it's a Class A misdemeanor, which is the same level as like battery or possession of marijuana or a meth pipe. It's all the same level of crime. Does that make sense? And you're still driving, and you've gotten several tickets for it. You got arrested by the state police last month for it. I actually know that I was just on the phone with the trooper that arrested, not right now, but I was on the phone with him an hour ago, the same trooper that arrested you in October. So I'm trying to decide if I'm going to arrest you or not right now.
Well, I can't persuade your choice, but I am trying to get things straightened out. My next target is to get the device in there so it's restricted, not suspended. I'm doing everything I can to get things.
Well, I mean, it's probably gonna be a while before you can even, before it's even gonna. No, you can get that in there because you have like the 800 days on an interlock, but your suspension goes for the next 2 years.
So even with the interlock, I could.
It'll depend being your second one. I'm not an expert on all that stuff, so I don't want to sit here and just make stuff up.
The second
but
one,
that'll
I'm trying
affect
to
it.
fight. That
Okay, and that's fine. Did you plead or get found guilty of the first one? I guess
Pleaded
sounds
not
like.
guilty.
Okay. Did you get convicted of the first one?
The first one, I was totally in the wrong, and
Okay.
I definitely shouldn't.
So that one you're found guilty, whether you pled or jury, whatever. Okay, but how long ago was your second DWI, the one you're fighting?
A few months. I'm trying to.
Okay. But where was it at?
Set up for court
Or
to fight the case.
who arrested you for it? What was the Fayetteville Police, the Sheriff's Office, the State Police?
Like Tawnytown.
It was Tawnytown. Okay. All right. It's your birthday and it's Thanksgiving. You're gonna get some tickets.
Okay.
But you're not gonna go to jail.
This 27th, so
Okay.
I gotta deal with it then.
Okay. You're gonna get tickets out. It'll probably be. It'll probably be Greenland Court. Okay. So I have a seat in the truck. Just hang out for a minute, and then we'll be done. Okay. But let's see. I've gone soft. I went and talked to him for a minute, pulled him out. We had a discussion, and I decided against arresting him. Well, you think I'm in the city limits here? Yeah. I mean, like, I'd be good either way. Like, I don't have an issue, but I told him because it's his birthday and it's Thanksgiving, he's getting a break. I do. He's on his way to his grandparents' house for, like, Thanksgiving with his brother in the backseat. Do you think let me look at the map. Am I inside the city here? I'm trying to decide if I need to ride it in Greenland or West Fork. Okay. Ride it in West Fork then. Yeah. Oh, does it? Okay. I know exactly where it ended. Alright, so driving DWI suspended license and registration. Driving vehicle with license or registration suspended. The tags aren't expired. No, the expiration is May of next year, but the suspension started in June. He's got a license plate cover. I'm gonna write him since he's not going to jail, he's gonna get a ticket for that and make him fix it. Alright, I'm going to warn his passenger for permitting unauthorized person to drive. Hang on, let me go get the other two passengers' IDs. Not too bad. Is this your house here? Yeah. Give me just a second, I'll be out of your way.
I know. If he needs to leave his truck here.
Well, yeah, so I'm going to tell him he's not supposed to drive, but I don't want him clogging up your driveway.
I know him from O'Reilly.
You do? Okay. Yeah, he seems like a good kid.
He is.
He's just done some dumb things, that's all. I don't think he's a hardened criminal or nothing.
Yeah, he can just pull up there, this car.
Okay. Okay. All right, I'm just waiting on that stuff to load. Do these back windows roll down at all? I don't know if it's automatic or not. Hey guys, how y'all doing? I know that sun's bright, so I'll try to stand here. Do y'all have driver's license or IDs with you?
I have my ID.
Okay, do you care if I take a look at it real quick?
Yeah.
I don't have my ID. I forgot it.
Okay, you don't have it with you? Okay, that's fine. It's no big deal. Y'all are not in any trouble, nothing like that, okay?
I do have a felony right now. I mean, I don't have no warrant or nothing.
Okay, but you just have like an open case?
Yeah.
That's fine, no big deal. No big deal. What was your name, sir?
Thomas something.
Mr. Thomas, what's your date of birth, sir?
May 31st, 2002.
May 31st of 02. So you do have an Arkansas ID, you just don't have it with you?
Yeah.
Okay, no worries. I'll be right back, we'll be done, okay?
L42. We're taking a vehicle versus here. The caller's already contacted their 11 and they're on scene. It occurred near the 75 mile marker southbound.
4-0.
10-4, you'll be looking for a dark blue Volkswagen Passat on the right shoulder. If roadside's still there. If not, the caller should be remaining. L4.
Can he take it over the phone?
How far I can transfer to L42?
Putting in field contacts for the back two passengers.
42, are you clear for a transfer?
You good with that?
Full copy, Striker. Are you clear for the transfer now? L42.
All right, Miss Adamson, here's yours back for you.
Thank you.
17-10-4. All right, Carissa, here's yours back. Austin, here's yours. All right, so I got two pieces of paper here for y'all. Carissa, this one's for you, okay? This is a warning. There's no fine court date, you're not in any actual trouble, okay? So since your driver's license is valid, if y'all are together, you need to be the one driving, okay? And not having him drive, okay? I mean, I just, you know, you just have an ID, you just have an ID. So I mean, they can't drive either legally. But since yours is valid, you need to be the one driving, okay? So there's that. There's no fine or court date. Just one of those things to keep in mind, okay? All right. So you're going to get 3 tickets today, all right? One is for the suspended driver's license. One is for the vehicle registration being suspended, and then the other is for the license plate cover. The license plate cover is probably a fix-it ticket. You pull it off, no big deal, okay?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
With the cover, we sell those at. Oh, right.
I know you sell. I know people sell them, but they're illegal to. Here, yeah, try to move. They're illegal to put on a vehicle and operate on a public roadway because it affects the reflectivity of the license plate. So I understand O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Walmart, everybody sells them, but you can't put them on a vehicle and operate on the public roadway. Okay? That's the reason that when y'all drove by me, that's the reason I turned out to follow you, is because I saw that. Because a lot of times people do it because the car's stolen or warrants attached to it, stuff like that, okay? So it's one of those things that is always going to catch law enforcement's eye.
I didn't figure it'd be that because it's got the lights shine right at it, so
right, but that,
even at nighttime you can clearly see it.
But that cover's dark,
yeah,
and that's the reason you can't have it, okay? So it's West Fork Court, January 11th at 2:30, address and phone number right there, okay?
West Fork?
It's West Fork Court, yes, sir.
I don't know where that is.
The address is right there.
Well, I've never been to West Fork.
Well, it has an address.
Yeah, right. It's got an address there. Okay. So I guess the gentleman that lives here says he knows you. I guess you work at O'Reilly's.
Yeah, he looks so familiar.
He said he knows you. So here's what I'm gonna tell you. All 4 of y'all are grown adults and can all make your own decisions. All right. This car is not supposed to be operated on a public roadway because until you handle the registration. So even if she drives away, she could get a ticket for operating the suspension. You could get another ticket for allowing her to operate the now that everybody knows. Okay. But y'all are all grown adults, can make your own decisions. You have a valid license, and I'm leaving.
I know that the tags didn't work for her, though. I understood that they don't work because they're under my name, but I didn't understand as to the depth.
So what do you mean, what's your question? I'm going to try to answer it.
You kind of did. You said that it just doesn't, like, it says that the vehicle is not legal on the road.
Right. So when I check your registration is like up to date till like May of next year. Like you've registered the truck, but they have suspended your registration because of the DWIs, just like they have suspended your driver's license because of the DWIs. They can do it to your vehicles as well. Okay. All right. Do y'all have any other questions for me?
Can I get her name put? You said I could call the Little Rock.
Yeah, so you have to call. I think it's driver control in Little Rock. I think they're who still handles the registrations.
And I can have her name put on the tag so that way.
Who's her?
Can drive.
No, even if you put her name on it, this truck is still suspended. To handle the suspension of the car, though, just call driver control because it won't tell me what you have to do. On your license, I can see all the classes you got to take, the fines all that stuff. I can see what you have to do to get your license good. When it comes to the registration, all I can see is it says suspended as it started in June of this year.
Do you think getting the device in the truck would get it unsuspended like my license?
It's not going to hurt your case, because you got to have it anyway.
Well, that's what I'm working on next, and I was hoping to do that in the next couple of days if I can find time.
Yeah, that's fine. I would do that. Just call. You can just get on your phone and Google driver control Little Rock, Arkansas. Call them, explain what's going on, and see what steps you need to take. Okay? Do y'all have any other questions for me?
You said we need to leave the truck here.
Y'all are all grown adults, can make your own decisions. The truck's not supposed to be on the public roadway. Okay? And then we'll leave it at that. Okay? All right, guys. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you.